Okay, so we're going to be going through different anatomical positions. The first one is going to be the anterior position, which is just the front of your body, so just like this. The next one is going to be your posterior position, which is the back of your body. And then the next one is going to be superior, so that is what's on top of your body. So your head is superior to your belly button, or your hips are superior to your knees. The next one is inferior, so your knees would be inferior to your hips, so that's lower than superior. The next one is going to be medial, so that is going through the midline of your body. The one after that is going to be lateral, so that's going to the outside of your body. And then abduction is when your arms go up like this, and then adduction is when they go down like this. Proximal is going to be what's closest to a certain part of your body, so that my shoulder is proximal to my head, whereas my elbow would be distal to my head. The next position we're going to cover is a supine position. So this is basically when you're just laying down flat on the floor like this. And then the next one is going to be a prone position, which is when you're laying on the floor flat like this. Then the next thing that we're going to cover is palmar, so that is like the palm of your hand. And then it could also be like the palm of your foot as well. And then the contrasting one of that would be dorsal, so that would just be the back. And then ventral is just, again, kind of like the anterior, the front of your body. And so next we're going to be covering planes. So the first plane that is oftentimes used in anatomy is the frontal/coronal plane. So that's just when, imagine cutting your body in half from this position. So it would cut your body into a front and a back half. And then the next plane is a sagittal, so that'd be going straight through the midline of your body. So it'd be cutting it in a right half and a left half. And then the last one would be a transverse plane, and that's just cutting right through your body horizontally. So that would just cut your body in half, basically. And then the next thing we're going to cover is joint movements. So for the ankle, a dorsiflex movement would be going up like this, and then a plantar flexion movement with your ankle would be going down like this. And then an inversion movement would be going in with your ankle like this, and then an eversion movement would be going outward with your ankle like this. And then for your knee, a flexion of the knee would be bending it like this, so bending, and then an extension of your knee would be extending it like this. And then lastly, the shoulder. So shoulder flexion would be like this, and then extension would be like this. And then abduction would be going up like this, and then adduction would be going down like this. And then with your shoulder as well, there's internal rotation, which would be going in like this, and then there's an external rotation, which would be going in like this. And that is it. Thank you so much.